Hello and welcome back again to another video. Creating a mask like this or creating a nice outlines like this or like this is very simple in Olive 0.2. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, we have a green screen video here. So let's bring this to the timeline. And since we're going to use only 60 frame here, let's bring the playhead here, select our video clip and hit C to cut, and then click on our clip and then hit V to go to the pointer tool and click on the part that you need to delete and delete it. Since we have an audio there, Control L, or you can right click and unlink or link and then select the audio clip and delete that. So once we're there, you can see that our video is shot in 4K. So let's come to the parameter editor here in the scale. Let's change this to 50. So now that we have that, let's see how we can create this alpha saved or safe mask here of the person. So to do that, let's go to the add effects here and then go to king and then use the color difference key. In the color difference key in the highlight, we want to change this to 5, and then in the shadow we want to change to the 10. Now you can see that the green color being spilled onto the person here. You can see it on the hair and also around the arm here and other part like this. So what we need to do is go back again to the add effects here and go to king, and this time we're going to use the disfill. So in the disfill, once we apply that, you can see it's nicely remove everything from or those spilled color from the person. To create this nice mask save, simply in the show mask only, simply click that, and here you can see that we just created our mask save. So you can either export this if you wanted to, so come to file and then in the export media, and then you can export your file. So the second example is to have this outlines around the person. So to do that, let's select the clip on the timeline, Control and C to copy, or you can right click and copy and then bring your playhead to the end and then Control V to copy this, and then you can bring this up and place it on top of your original video. So now that we have selected this, let's go to the second video clip that we just copied and pasted, and then go to the color difference key and in the show mask only, uncheck that, and we just created that back again, the save back again, the person back again, and again select the video or the original video clip here and go to the scale again and change this to 53, or if you are 100, 103, and then you can see that we just created this nice outlines around the person using the mask. So this is the second example, and the third example is to have a background to this person here. So let's see how we can do that. Selecting the clip, moving it up somewhere here, and we have this background that we're going to use here. So let's bring this background to the timeline, and then here we're going to cut this one by hitting C and click on the clip to cut, and then V to go out of the cut tool, and then delete this part here. And then from here, make sure to select the clip with the white mask on, and then go to the parameter editor. In the add effects, go to king and then the chroma key. So once we apply the chroma key, you can see it's nicely removed the black color there, and now we have this background being shown. So these are examples of how we can also use the color difference key, the chroma key, and the disfill key to create this. And that's all for this video, and thank you for watching. Thank you to those who have subscribed to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you all back again in another video.